Okay.
Okay, guys, we will take lesson 7 اليوم إن شاء الله. Lesson 7, page lesson 7, page 119. 119. So we skipped lesson 6. It's the similar idea. So I will give you, inshallah, lesson 7, page 119. So prepare your books, prepare yourselves. So we'll start in this lesson directly, inshallah. We call it distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property, page lesson 7, page 119. Prepare yourselves, guys. So we'll start our lesson. Right. Yesterday we took revision exercises. We took exercises about lesson 1, lesson 3, lesson 4. Today, inshallah, we'll go to lesson 7 and take distributive property. So let's start with the word distributive. What I mean by distributive. So distributive, like when I tell you distribute these papers to your friends. So you'll take the papers and give each one of your friend one paper of it. So you are distributing. So in math, distributive property, guys, look here, look at the board so you understand it. If we have something like this, 4 multiply bracket, 4 multiply bracket, and inside the bracket we have two numbers, for example 5 and 3 with addition. So this is the form which we will talk about in this day. This is the form which we will talk about in this day. So how we multiply, guys, how we do this thing, we distribute, we will distribute the 4 on 5 and the 4 on 3. So the distributive property means a number multiply bracket, a number multiply bracket. طبعا we can make 5 plus 3, 8, multiply 4, 32. This is another way, but here we are talking about the word distributive. So 4 multiply 5 and 4 multiply 3. So this is equal 4 multiply 5, we write it. And if we have plus here, the plus will comes down. And the second part, 4 multiply 3. 4 multiply 3. Now, in order of operations, guys, first we multiply, then we add. First we multiply, then we add. Do not add, then multiply. First we multiply, then we add the two things or the two numbers. So 4 multiply 5, it's 20. And 4 multiply 3, it's 12. And the plus comes down. Now, 20 plus 12 is 32. 32. Okay, guys? This is, we call it distributive property. Let's take another example about the distributive property. For example, 3 multiply 5 plus 2. 3 multiply 5 plus 2. We can say 5 plus 2, 7, because in a bracket we can add first. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 times 3, 21. This is another way. But here we are talking about the word distributive. Now, 3 multiply 5 plus 2, what we'll do, guys, we'll make it 3 times 5 and 3 times 2. 3 times 5 and 3 times 2 in order. So 3 multiply 5, the addition will come down. Then 3 multiply 2. This is equal. 3 multiply 5, 15. 15 plus 3, no, we don't add. We multiply first. After we finish multiplications, we add. So here, add, multiply first. 3 multiply 2, 6. Now 15 plus 6 is 21. 21. So this is what we call it, guys, distributive property. Distributive property. Again, here, for example, 4 multiply this bracket. We multiply the 4 with the 5 and the 4 with the 3. We distribute the 4. Distribute the 4 in all the numbers inside with multiplication. 4 multiply 5 plus 4 multiply 3. Now we find the multiplications, then we add the two answers here to find the final answer. This we call it, guys, distributive property. Now, if you have any questions about this idea, put your hand. Omar Samer.
Mister, we don't have question.
What? Why you put your hand then?
I was want to answer.
Answer what? Did I ask something?
No.
To answer what? Answer nothing?
I don't know.
See? Mute yourself. When I say questions, you can put your hand. Isa.
Okay.
Yeah, Mister.
Yes.
I didn't understand the lesson very well.
What you didn't understand here? You see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me what I'm doing here. Tell me.
First one that's in the job.
Look here. Look here يا mister. Look here. Allah يسعدك. Look here. Focus. Focus. عشان to understand, you need to focus, right? And hear very well and see very well. Did you hear me very well?
Yeah.
Did you see the word very well?
Yes.
طيب يلا tell me here. 7 multiply 3 plus 2. How do this in distributive property? Can you tell me?
Okay. 7
Yeah.
plus 3.
7 multiply 3, then?
And 7 multiply 2.
7 multiply 2 and multiply, sorry. And what's between them should be?
Plus?
Huh? Plus. The plus comes between them. So I distribute the 7 on 3 and the 7 on 2. صح?
Okay.
Now, what I need to do to find the final answer?
Oh, first thing multiply.
يلا multiply.
7 multiply 3 equal 21.
أيوة, plus 7 multiply 2.
14.
14. Then what we need to do?
Add them.
Add them. Is it difficult, yeah, mister?
No.
Why you say you don't understand? You understand, mister, but you need to focus more, okay?
Okay.
Fine. Mute yourself. Quaider, Omar.
Mr.
Quaider. Yes, Omar.
Can I answer the first question?
لا mister, I'm not asking now. I'm asking about this. You are, mister, انتوا بتخربوا شغلي قاعدين. I'm asking about students who did not understand these examples.
Mr.
I
Jalal, I do not
questions
understand.
now. Jalal, did I tell you to talk? Jalal, did I tell you to talk? Did I tell you to talk?
No. What's your
So why are you talking? Why you are talking without my permission? Tell me why.
Because I have a question.
Wait your turn, mister. When I said Jalal, تفضل تحكي. Got it?
Got it.
اتعلموا. Talk, Jalal. What's your question?
ليه look at this. ليش بننزل الرقم لتحت ونسوي له multiply؟
In English,
ليه؟
mister. In English.
Why you put this number down and you make it for it multiply? I understand the last two, but the second one I did not understand it.
This one? This one you didn't understand?
No. When you multiply, then plus, I do not understand it.
Multiply, mister. First we do the multiplications, then we add. 7 by 3, 21. 7 by... What?
And first thing we will multiply.
Yes, we cannot add, then multiply. No, we multiply, then we add. Got it?
Got it, got it.
Look here, look here, look at the board. All of you guys, all of you look at the board. 2 plus 3 multiply 5. Okay?
Okay.
Don't say 2 plus 3, 5. 5 multiply 5, 25. No, this is incorrect. This is wrong. Okay? First you multiply, then you add. Not add, then multiply. No. So first we multiply. 2 plus multiply. 3 multiply 5, 15. You finish the multiplication, right? Now you what?
Plus.
You make addition, which is 17. Got it?
I got it, got it.
Thank you. خلاص, don't talk. Thank you. Got it? And only got it. Thank you. Now we have another idea in this lesson. Here, guys, I have the bracket ready. I have the brackets ready. But if the bracket is not ready, like for example, 7 multiply 14. Look here. Focus, guys. Focus. I don't like to repeat so much. Just focus so you understand from the first time. Now here, we don't have a bracket. How we make a bracket, guys? 14, I will make it 2 numbers. The 14, we can say 7 plus 7. The 14, we can say 13 plus 1. The 14, we can say 12 plus 2. But the 14, we can say 10 plus 4. This is the easiest form. So if we have 10, if we have 100, if we have number with zeros, we choose it. Now the 14, we can write it like this. 7 multiply, and we make a bracket like this one. The 14, I will write it 10 plus 4. Why 10? To make it for us easy to multiply. To make it easy to multiply. So 7 multiply 14. The 14 will make it 10 plus 4. How much 10 plus 4? 14. So I'm okay. Now I will use the distributive property. 7 multiply 10 plus 7 multiply 4. And I will do the same steps. 7 multiply 10, 70. 7 multiply 2, 14. Sorry. 7 multiply 4, Asaf, 28. Now we add these two numbers. 70 plus 28, we add them, the answer will be 98. So 7 multiply 14 is how much? 98. Another example about this idea. If I want to multiply, for example, look here, guys. 9 multiply 15. How I'll multiply 9 by 15? I will make the 9 is still 9, and the 15, I will make it 10 plus 5. The 15 is 10 plus 5. Now I distribute the 9. 9 multiply 10 plus 9 multiply 5. Now I will multiply, then add. 9 by 10, we know it, it's easy, 90. Plus 9 by 5, we know it, it's 45. Now we add these two numbers, 90 plus 45. We add normally. 0 plus 5, 5, 9 plus 4, 13. So the answer, 135. 135. Now, if the bracket is ready, we multiply direct. If the number has no bracket, we make it 10 plus something, then we do our distributive property. Now, after we finish this, guys, let's go to example, sorry, not example, to the guided practice, page 120. Find each product mentally. Use the distributive property. Show the steps that you used. Okay? Now take a look to question 1, guys. Take a look to question 1. What we have in question 1, I will write it on the board. Question 1, we have 5 multiply 18. 5 multiply 18 equals, they wrote down of it, 5 multiply 18 equals 5 multiply bracket something plus 8, then equal 5 multiply something plus 5 multiply something. Right? We need to fill these spaces, guys. We will fill them together, then something plus something, then the final answer. Let's fill this. Who can help me with this, guys? Yalla, prepare your books. We are on page 120, guys, here in question 1, in the guided practice 120. So we are doing a question 1. Who can help me with this question, guys? Yalla, I'll choose the students. Hamdi, Ahmed, Hamdi. Ahmed. أحمد توك. طيب. عبد الله زهران.
Mr. G, hear me?
Yes, I hear you now, Ahmed Talk. What we need to put here?
5 multiply bracket 10.
10. Because 10 plus 8 is what?
18.
Is 18. So here we put 10. ممتاز يا أحمد. طيب. Then 5 multiply what? 5 multiply what?
5 multiply 10, 5 multiply 8.
We distribute, right, guys? 5 multiply 10 and 5 multiply what? 8. Then
5 multiply 10, 50.
50. Copy it here. Then
And 5 multiply 8 equal 40.
40. Then the last step, what we do?
Equal 9.
Equal what?
Equal 90, I mean.
90. 50 plus 40 is 90.
90.
Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Copy these spaces, guys. Fill the spaces. Fill the blanks. Now we'll go to question 2. Under that same idea, question 2. Let me copy it on the board so we will do it together. Yalla. Yalla, question 2, guys. I will write it here. Just give me 1 second to write the question. I have 2 multiply 21. Equal, they wrote for me 2 multiply bracket, and inside the bracket I have 2 spaces, then 2 multiply something plus 2 multiply something, then something plus something, then the final answer. صح? Yalla. This is question 2, guys. Yalla, who can help me with the question 2? I'll select students. I'll select the students. Let's see, new student, Mazen.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla ya Mazen, can you help me with this?
Yes.
Talk. Yeah, Mr. Talk, don't waste time.
2
Mr. You have so noises in your room. Please make it more less annoying. So I want another student. Down, guys. I'll select from the students down there. Walid,
Yes, mister.
why you are not putting your hand, Walid? Do you understand the lesson?
Yeah.
Yalla, tell me what I need to put here.
Here.
لا هناك. Here, what I need to put بسرعة.
Two multiply.
I have 21. What I can write them here, two numbers, easy numbers.
2 multiply 2.
أيوة.
Mister, 2 multiply 2
أيوة.
plus 1.
يعني 2 plus 1 equal 21.
No, no, no.
You said 2 plus 1. 21, yeah, mister, 21. Give me two numbers. If you add them, you got 21.
Mister, 2 multiply 10 plus 1.
10 plus 1 equal 21.
No.
So why you choose 10 plus 1? 10 plus 1, 11, not 21. I wanted 21.
Mister, 2 multiply 20.
أيوة. Plus. أيوة. 21, we write it 20 plus 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Then to multiply what here?
2 multiply 20.
أيوة. And here?
2 multiply 1.
Good. Now 2 multiply 20, how much?
20. 40.
40. Excellent. 2 multiply 1, how much?
1.
ولا ركز. 2 multiply 1, how much?
2 multiply 1, 2.
Why you say 1? Now 40 plus 2, how much?
42.
42. Yalla, copy the spaces. Fill the blanks, guys. Yalla. Fill the blanks. Fill the blanks. So we did a question 1 and we did a question 2. Now we'll go to the next page. In page 121, we have question 3. We will write all of everything. There are no spaces here. They gave us just the question and we will write everything here. Okay? So let's go to question 3 together on the second page and you will do the question with me and we'll do it with each other. Yeah. Question 3, guys, we have what? We have 6 multiply 13. 6 multiply 13. Yeah, I will put equal. Who can help me with 6 multiply 13 mentally? Mentally. Before I start, guys, I want from all of you to remove your hands. All of you. كلكم شيلوا الهاندز أشوف يلا.